What's up guys, welcome to this video. In today's video I want to quickly show you how you can fix connection or server issues in GTA 5. That's the topic of today's video, so just listen very closely or watch to the end if you're interested in that. But before we start right into the topic, I would really like to mention something. You guys would literally make my day if you could leave a like, comment and subscribe to my small little channel. It would be very much appreciated, and you thank you so much. But let's start right into the topic. First of all, we are going to reset our network adapters. How are we going to do that? First of all, just click on your Windows search icon and type in not settings, control panel, and then open this app here and here. First of all, click on network and internet, then network and sharing center. And in here on the left side, we can see 4 different links, and we need to click on the second one, change adapter settings, and then Windows should open with all our network adapters in it. And here simply, it doesn't matter if you're using Ethernet or Wi-Fi, just right click on your network adapter and then click on disable. For this you will need to have some administrator rights, just to note that. And then we can already check in the bottom right corner our internet access is lost, and after we've waited a few seconds we can already reactivate it again. So just right click again and click on enable, and then this might take a few moments to just identify the network again and connect it to the internet. So just don't worry, it takes a few seconds. Perfect. Our internet access is back. We can already close the network connections window. And here, back in the network and sharing center, just click on this link here at the connections section. Again, doesn't matter if you're using Ethernet or Wi-Fi, just click on this link and then click on properties, and then find Internet Protocol version 4, select it and click again on properties. And then Windows looking something like this should open, and here make sure that you select down here the second option, use the following DNS server addresses instead of obtain DNS server address automatically. And then for the preferred DNS server, type in 4 times D8, and for alternate DNS server 2 times D8 and 2 times the 4. And you can also pause this video really quick if you need some time, but just click on OK then, and click on close, and click on close, and click on close, close goes. That's already it. Our network and connection and server issues in GTA 5 should be fixed now. If so, leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel. If not, just also leave a comment, then I will write you back as soon as possible and we will surely find a solution. But that's it. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Wish you a wonderful day. Bye.